Today we're going to talk about how to make an herbal oil at home. I'll be sharing all of the basic materials and ingredients that you need to do this and the basics of the process. My name is Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist, herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner. I'm here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. If this is of interest to you, make sure you add yourself to my mailing list. Give me a like and a comment. And if you really want to go deep with this stuff, I'm going to be opening up a 12-week cycle of VIP complete holistic lifestyle makeover coaching soon. And you can go add yourself to that specific list at bit.ly/VIP with Erin, all caps. Here's what you need for your herbal oil. You need some kind of fresh herb that you've allowed to wilt. Oregano, rosemary, calendula, whatever. Then you need a clean, preferably sanitized jar that's dry. And you need a really great carrier oil, and the classic to use here is olive oil. Add your plant material to the jar and keep in mind that you're going to be covering it with 2 to 3 inches of carrier oil. And you can make however much you want, however much you think you need. There doesn't need to be specific measuring or weighing with this really at all. Just keep it simple. Next, you're going to add your carrier oil 2 to 3 inches above the top of your plant material. So then you put the cover on that and you put it somewhere in the sun where you're going to remember to shake it 1 to 2 times a day for at least 2 weeks. You can go up to 4 weeks. Then you will need some kind of fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain out as much of the plant material as possible from your herbal oil. And when you're done with that, it looks something like this and is ready to use. You want to store it in a cool, dark place. And that, my friends, is making an herbal oil. Give me a like, give me a follow, make sure you add yourself to that mailing list.